Good day viewers and welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Vadodara-based Vrunda Enterprise, engaged in manufacturing, supplying and exporting a wide range of carry-bag punching machines. Crude oil prices plunged on Thursday, while WTI traded at $48.90, down $2.46 per barrel. Brent finished at $51.46, down $2.50 per barrel. Prices on Thursday witnessed a steep drop as disappointed investors were anticipating deeper cuts from OPEC and other major exporters who decided to extend their current deal to limit oil production for 9 months until March 2018. Investors had hoped the cartel might reduce output even further to drain a global glut. Open spec naphtha prices on Thursday were also assessed lower at $460 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a day-on-day fall of $4 per metric ton. Ethylene prices declined, while propylene prices surged in Asia on Thursday. Ethylene prices were assessed at $945 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, and prices were at $1,045 per metric ton Northeast Asia levels, both down by $10 per metric ton from Wednesday's assessed levels. The price fall was in the back of dull demand trends coupled with weaker downstream PE demand and pricing trends pressured prices lower across the Asian region. Propylene prices were at $895 per metric ton CFR China levels, a sharp day-on-day rise of $35 per metric ton. Prices were at $860 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a spike of $50 per metric ton from Wednesday. Reports of limited product avails and higher downstream PP rates together pushed prices sharply higher across the Asian region. Benzene edged lower by $5 per metric ton to the $770 per metric ton FOB Korea levels. The price fall was attributed to weak demand in major markets like China coupled with bearish upstream energy values. SM prices remained steady at $1,080 per metric ton FOB Korea levels and $1,100 per metric ton CFR China levels. In Asia, EDC and VCM prices were assessed stable this week. EDC prices were at $275 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels and $290 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, both unchanged from previous week. VCM prices were at $675 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels and $730 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, both unchanged week on week. In India, Lotte Chemicals Taiwan, Malaysia has offered its HDPE film grade at $1140 per metric ton levels and HDPE raffia grade at $1150 per metric ton levels on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis for shipment in June 2017. In European markets this week, PVC contract prices remained steady while spot prices dropped by €20 per metric ton. PPHP contract prices were assessed stable while spot prices slipped by €10 per metric ton. PPCP contract prices remained flat while spot prices declined by €15 per metric ton. HDPE film, HDPE BM and HDPE injection grades contract prices down by €5 per metric ton while spot prices of HDPE film, HDPE BM and HDPE injection grades declined by €10 per metric ton. LDPE contract prices were steady while spot prices edged lower by €5 per metric ton. LLDPE contract prices assessed lower by €25 per metric ton while spot prices slipped by €10 per metric ton. We are delighted to offer you a golden opportunity to showcase your company to thousands of viewers of the Polymer Update Daily News videos. These free videos are presented in English, Gujarati and Hindi every working day from Monday through Friday. Special sponsorship and advertising opportunities are available. You can choose from a one-day to a multi-day package depending on how popular you would like to become. Call us now on our toll-free number 1-800-212-2599. If you have enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymer Update and have found it useful for your business, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. Thank you.